All right, we reviewed many of the changes to the system. Let's quickly fire off a new production job and see how the system works. As always, I'm going to click on the Job button from the main Realtrac toolbar to launch a new job group. I'll flip over to our Job Entry Form tab and click on the New Job button. Here we'll see a new option. A production job can be selected, which we will do. As soon as I select the production job, I'm able to set some initial parameters for my production job. I can always freely add or remove build schedules in the future, but if I have an initial plan for how many production runs or build schedules I want to build, I can set them up here in our new job wizard. I'm going to plan to have 2 runs making 25 units apiece for a total of 50 pieces of my part. If we stop right here, we can click over to the Router tab and see that Realtrac has already created 2 production runs with each router set to produce 25 pieces. Additionally, in my Production Schedule tab, which is under the Ship Schedule tab, I'm set up with 2 production runs where I can set my due dates, my serial number, inventory lot, and inventory location information. Let's pop back to my main screen and fill out the rest of my basic job details. Give me a moment here to fill out the basic customer and part information, and we'll return back to continue looking around our screens. With my basic job details all set, let's continue on. Let's set up a simple router for my first run and then copy it over to my second production run. All right, I'm going to add 3 simple router lines. First, I will do a saw operation, and after that, we will do an assembly of some sort. And finally, we will paint our parts that we have produced. I've got a basic router set up for my initial run, and now I want to duplicate this router to my second production run. Within my Run To tab, I'm going to click on the Router Replace button and select the Copy Router from Build option. I'll select Run 1 from the interface, and we'll see my router appear automatically. Let's schedule the production of these 2 runs. To do that, I'll click over to the Production Schedule tab, which is available under the Ship Schedule tab. My production team wants this initial run of 25 pieces to be finished at the end of September, and a second run of 25 units to finish at the end of October. With my due date set, I can tell Realtrac to schedule my jobs, and we'll see Realtrac automatically calculate the schedule for the runs and tell me when I need to start working on each of these builds to get them done in time. With my production run scheduled, I can always hop over to my Job Schedule tab and check out the schedule for each production run. My job is ready to launch to the floor and get started making parts.